Carbide burrs are a versatile and transformative tool for woodworkers is looking to add intricate detail and depth to their projects. Whether you're working on decorative inlays or intricate relief carvings, these small rotary bits can deliver precision and control unmatched by larger tools. Today, we'll explore how you can use carbide burrs for precise wood removal, helping you create striking inlays and relief carvings without the need for a full-size router. Begin by selecting the right carbide burr for your project. Burrs come in a variety of shapes, such as bowl, cone, flame, and cylindrical, and each serves a unique purpose. For fine detail and delicate lines, a small ball or flame-shaped burr works best, while cylindrical or tapered burrs are ideal for removing larger areas of wood quickly and evenly. Before starting, ensure your rotary tool is fitted securely with your chosen burr and that your workspace is clean and well lit. When creating decorative inlays, start by lightly sketching your design on the wood surface with a pencil. This outline will serve as your guide, helping you stay precise as you carve. Hold your rotary tool with a steady grip and let the burr do the work. Apply gentle pressure and move slowly along your pencil lines. With the right burr, you can easily control the depth and width of the channel, making it perfect for inlaying materials like epoxy, metal, or contrasting wood. The key is to work in small increments, frequently checking your progress to ensure uniformity and accuracy. One of the advantages of using carbide burrs over a full router is the ability to access tight corners and intricate curves. Routers, while powerful, can be challenging to maneuver in small spaces or on delicate designs. Burrs excel in these situations, allowing you to refine edges and clean up areas that would otherwise be inaccessible. If your inlay design features sharp angles or flowing curves, switch between burr shapes as needed to match the contours of your pattern. For relief carving, carbide burrs are equally invaluable. Relief carving involves sculpting images or patterns so they stand out from the wood surface. After sketching your design, begin by outlining the major shapes with a small burr. Gradually remove layers of wood, varying the pressure and angle to create different depths and textures. Use ball-shaped burrs for shading and smooth transitions, and pointed burrs for crisp edges and fine details. Take your time, working slowly to avoid mistakes and achieve a three-dimensional effect. As you work, remember to keep your burrs clean and sharp. A clogged or dull burr can burn the wood and reduce the quality of your carving. A quick brush or dip in a burr cleaning solution can keep your tool performing at its best. Additionally, consider wearing a dust mask and safety glasses. Carbide burrs generate fine wood dust, and safety is always a priority in the workshop. Once your carving or inlay is complete, gently sand the area to remove any sharp edges or tool marks. Apply your chosen finish, be it oil, varnish, or wax, to bring out the natural beauty of the wood and highlight your handiwork. The result is a custom, decorative piece that showcases your skill and creativity. If you found these carbide burr hacks helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Have you tried our carbide burr tools in your own projects? We'd love to hear about your experiences, share ideas, and answer any questions you might have. Your feedback helps us create even better tutorials for passionate woodworkers like you.